One ball game na nagkatulakan.
Sinisiko kasi ni Artadi ani Alapag
At ayun, nagkatulakan, nagkasigawan pa. And cooler heads had already intervened
Look at this. There.
At ayun, ang tama. Kitang-kita ng lahat. Kung ba nangyayari dito, the fans are getting into it. The fans are getting into it with the...
we don't know if it was a swing. We don't know if it was a punch or a swing. Pero meron, siguro he was trying to point lang
And
at may konting acting na si Paul Artadi.
of course, he's playing it up as much as possible para makita yung full effect ng ginawa ni Jimmy Alapag. But in any case, yun na nga, they're trying to restore order dito sa ating venue, Cuneta Astrodome. And team officials, referees, all conferring para anong mangyayari dito as a result of this scuffle between Jimmy Alapag at itong si Paul Artadi. 49 seconds na lang natitira sa ating laro. Reminiscent of the Denver Nuggets New York Knicks ball game in the NBA with only seconds to go. Doon rambulan na the point guard of the respective team.
It looked like parang...
I was saying earlier, as we see the replay once again, anong repercussions nito sa next game? Anong repercussions nito sa next game? And Jimmy Alapag, of course, a vital part of this Talk and Text Phone Pals quarterback his team to victory today.
We don't know,
Victory today.
We don't know,